Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vanguard for fund expense ratio comparisons step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Vanguard website. Once on the home page, look for the Investing tab in the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on the Investing tab to reveal the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Mutual Funds and ETFs. On the Mutual Funds and ETFs page, scroll down to find the search bar. In the search bar, type in the name or ticker symbol of the fund you want to compare. Press the Enter key or click the search icon. After the search results load, locate your fund in the list. Click on the fund name to access its profile page. Once on the fund profile page, find the section labeled Fund Details. In this section, look for Expense Ratio to see the current percentage. To compare with other funds, go back to the Mutual Funds and ETFs page. Repeat the search process for another fund you want to compare. After finding the second fund, click on its name to load its profile. Examine the expense ratio for this fund as well. Take note of the differences in expense ratios between the two funds. For further comparisons, consider using Vanguard's tools, like the Compare Funds feature. If you want to look at more funds, repeat the steps as needed. Once you have all your comparisons, you can analyze the information to make informed investment decisions. When done, you may want to bookmark the Vanguard website for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.